So today's episode, guys, we're working on the jet boat. We're gonna get a few things done for you, show you how some things are done, and it's gonna be an awesome episode. Catch you guys in a bit. So let's head over to the jet boat here and I'll show you a few things we got done last time. I didn't really do any videoing, but we got a few things done. So since you guys last seen it, we got the exhaust system put in. We got a custom exhaust pipe bent. You can see it right here. It comes up out of the manifold, drops down here, goes through the through hull fitting here, and then comes out right there. Looks like she's about in line with the pump, so it should be in the water when she's idling and whatnot. Should be perfect. One of the other things we got done is we got the fuel tank finished welded. We got some barb fittings put in there for the vent line and the fuel fill hose. We got the fuel pump fitted in. We also got the fuel fill cap installed. It looks good. It's gonna be great. It's a vented cap. Should be awesome. So yeah, we got a fair bit of stuff done a couple weekends ago. I didn't end up videoing. That's the way it goes sometimes. So logo stickers are now available. You can see I got these made up here the other day. The big one's a 6-inch, the small one's a 3-inch. $3.50 for the small ones, $7.50 for the big ones. Just send me a message or PM me somehow and I'll get these stickers out to you guys if you're interested. I'm also getting these logos put on shirts. Once I get all the logos done for the shirts and everything figured out, I'll put a link up there for you guys can go. It's just an online, on-demand printing service. So you can go in there, pick the shirt you want, click, buy, it gets sent to you. Awesome. And I don't have to carry no stock, which is great. And it should be a lot quicker service and everything. And it's worldwide, I believe. So grab some shirts, grab some hoodies, grab whatever type of merchandise I got on there if you guys like. It'll help the channel out and advance it and get some better content for you guys. So appreciate you guys checking it out at least and going from there. Thanks a lot. So you guys can follow me on Instagram at @fabin_adventures. Appreciate you guys following me, and I'll be putting updates as to what's going on in the shop, what videos are coming on, what adventures I'm going on. I also got a ton of projects on the go. I got the motor swap on the Zook, pulling it out of the tracker. I got the canoe project here. We got the jet boat project. We are busy in the shop these past few weeks, which is a good thing. With all this self-isolation stuff, I got tons of projects to do. It's great. Yeah, so this is how we're gonna mount our sliding tracks for our seats. We just took this 1x1 bar, cut some notches in it, sit them down on this seat like this here, and then we'll just weld them on top. And then the tracks just get mounted to that, and then they go into the box, onto the seat boxes. So we're just gonna line this bottom of this seat with leather welding jacket and some gloves and stuff, just so the sparks and whatnot don't burn a whole bunch of holes in these fairly expensive seats. So here's the seat boxes we made, and they're just temporarily stuck in there. We haven't welded them in or nothing like that. We need to figure out where the seats are going to sit for sure before we weld them in. So when we were both talking about how we wanted to do these seats, we both basically agreed it would be a great idea to be able to quickly remove the seats if we needed to. We shot an elk or a moose or something like that and we needed the extra room. You can just pull a little rubber tab there, tilt the seat forward, slide it to the side, put the seat out on the bench, fill the boat with meat or camping gear or whatever. When you're setting up camp on the little island like we do, it's just simple to just pop the seats out, load this baby with camp gear and run it to the island and drop it off and set it up. So I'll just show you how these seats work actually. So all you do is you reach down here, you flip this little rubber tab and you just grab the seat, tilt it forward. Simple as that. Slide it to the side and the seat's out. Real easy, real simple. And then we'll just set this here. Then when the seat's out, it's no problem. You could totally fill this whole area with gear and you could still stand and run the boat. And you get the height advantage on the water and you can see the rocks easier if you're running real skinny water. It's just nice to be able to stand sometimes. So we still got to make floorboards for this boat. We got to make this doghouse cover. That's going to be real interesting how we do that. We're going to put some windshield wipers in this unit. I think that's pretty well it. She's almost ready for the water. We're going to be, actually I forgot, we're putting a heater in down here. We're going to run some heat ducts. And we'll have a couple heat ducts here that go on the windshield and actually blow down on the floor. And he's going to get a canopy made for the boat. That way if we're out hunting and it's rainy and cold out, we got some heat, we got the top up, the rain's not getting on us. Got a nice little warm spot to get out of the rain and out of the elements. And it's just going to be an awesome little boat. I really can't wait to get this thing up and running and for the ice to get off the water and for us to put this baby in the water and take her for a boot. So there's definitely going to be a few more episodes to this jet boat as we continue on and try and get it done for spring. We still got to build a doghouse cover, rear seats for it. It's going to be a 4-seat jet boat. There's probably a few other things we need to straighten out, and hopefully by the time the ice leaves the water, we're going to drop this bad boy in, take her for a ride. You guys are going to come along and enjoy the ride with us. Very first test run, you're going to see the good, the bad, the ugly. Stick around, wait for the video, hit the bell to be notified when all my videos come out, and that way you don't miss any of the new great content I'm putting out. Trying to upload videos every Friday, if I can, Friday, Saturday. Definitely trying to keep it consistent for you guys so that you know there's always a show coming out from Fab and Adventures every Friday. So if you guys are enjoying this channel and enjoying the different content I'm putting out, go ahead and please subscribe, share, like these videos, hit the bell to be notified, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.